Stocks in China selling off overnight. Beijing warning over the weekend that COVID has now spread there undetected in the city for a week, and that more cases could be found with investigation. The city's main business district began 3 days of mass testing today, and all in-person group activities have now been suspended there. Schools mostly remaining open, but some restaurants, gyms, and non-essential businesses were closed in a small portion of the business district. Joining us right now on the sell-off in China overnight to talk about it, CNBC's Sherry Kang. She joins us this morning from Hong Kong. Good morning. What are you seeing over there?
Good morning, Andrew. So certainly reports of panic buying of groceries are coming back into the headlines once again. COVID flare-up, but certainly leading to this big plunge in the Shanghai Composite, down more than 5%, the biggest one-day drop since February of 2020. So that is the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. And it is closing at the 29.28, so breaching below that important, psychologically important level of 3,000 as well. COVID situation in China not getting better and getting worse, and the market fear is that it could actually lead to lockdowns beyond Shanghai, and the lockdown in that city is dragging into its fourth week already, and the capital city of Beijing could be next. That is fanning a lot of global demand concerns, and that could actually be a partial explanation for the oil price slump that we're seeing on Monday as well. In a major district in Beijing, people were ordered to have 3 tests this week. More than a dozen buildings were put under lockdown. And in the FX market, we did see onshore yuan closing at 1-year low versus the greenback. And some economists are saying, watch what happens with the Politburo meeting later this week. That is China's highest decision-making body, and look for any clues for more stimulus. Remember, the stimulus so far announced by the authorities are not meeting market expectations. Here in Hong Kong, where I am, we've got the Hang Seng Index closing lower by 3.7%. Deeper sell-off coming through for the Hang Seng Tech Index, down 4.8%. Guys?
Hey, Sherry, some of the papers this morning are talking about the possibility, though, I mean, it's sort of hinted at that there's conversations, and I don't know at what level, about potentially reevaluating the zero COVID policy. Do you think that that's even in the offing?
You know, that's actually not the first time that we saw that kind of speculative report suggesting that maybe authorities in Beijing could be giving up on the COVID zero policy. And of course, this is something that was applied to Hong Kong as well. And I'm glad to tell you that things are opening up a little bit, little by little here in the territory as well. So perhaps it's moving in that direction. And that's exactly the reason why we need to be watching the Politburo meeting as well. Because if things get really bad and it is hurting the global demand, and if the Chinese authorities think that the growth in that economy could be taking a big hit, then perhaps things are loosening up a little bit. But if you look at the example of Shanghai, it's really a tough call to make at this point because, like I said, the lockdown in that city going into the 4th week as we speak.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.